Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a very popular Indian savory snack called murku. We all generally buy a lot of snacks from the market, not sure of what kind of oils are being used in the making. Today you can learn how to make this simple and popular snack at home. I've used 1 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of urad dal powder, ghee about 3 teaspoons, salt about half a teaspoon, cooking soda about 2 pinches, hing about 2 to 3 pinches, red chili powder I have used half teaspoon, you can add it according to your taste, sesame seeds or til is half a tablespoon and cumin seeds half a tablespoon. So let's begin by roasting the urad dal flour. You can use the dal, roast it and grind it to a powder if you don't have the urad flour with you. So we're going to roast this till it gives a nice smell and it browns a bit. So this adds to the lovely flavor of the murkus. And once the flour is cooled, I'm adding in the rice flour to it. And let's start adding in all the other ingredients like the cumin seeds, sesame seeds or the til, red chili powder, soda, hing powder, salt and the ghee. You can also replace butter. Let's mix all these ingredients together first. This is a very simple and easy recipe to make at home. So just use your hands to make sure that the butter, the ghee and the flour have come together nicely. And I'm going to add water little by little. The dough has to be really stiff. So make sure you just add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water each time. Form a dough and keep adding gradually. It has to be a nice and stiff dough. It shouldn't be too watery. Otherwise the murkus will not hold the shape. So once you've made the stiff dough, let's cover it and keep it aside for 30 minutes. I kept it aside for 30 minutes and I've used this mold to make the murkus. I used the star disc for this, the nozzle. So let's add in the dough to this and then close this. I don't know what you call this, but this is the gadget used to make these murkus. If you don't have this, you can also use a piping bag. So just make sure you make a round and round shape like a murku. You can make very big ones, small or medium sized, or just the longer ones. I've made all of these and now let's fry it. You can use a piping bag with a nozzle as well to make these murkus if you don't have this. So the oil should be medium hot and gently drop in the murkus one by one. Be careful because the oil will be really hot and these tend to, because they are a bit heavy, they just tend to drop into the oil. I fried it for about 3 to 4 minutes and I'm transferring them to a paper towel. If you fry them on a high flame, they'll be done from outside, but on the inside they'll be really raw, and after they are fried they won't have the crunchiness in them. So make sure the oil is at the right temperature. Please do subscribe to my channel and also like and share my videos. Do try this recipe and let me know if you liked it.